Yeah, hi, it's Martin here from the blog newbieaffiliatemarketer.com, and in today's video we are going to be looking about how you can earn free PayPal cash for uploading images. Now this is a worldwide opportunity, really simple, really easy to do, and you get paid via PayPal. And once this is set up, you can actually earn money every day without having to do anything, because it will be a passive income. So if you're ready, let's go and have a look exactly how you can do this. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, then we make videos a couple of times a week about blogging, affiliate marketing, easy ways to make money online. So if any of these are something you're interested in, then make sure that you subscribe to the channel right now and hit that notification bell, so then you will get notified every time we make a new video. And if you're liking this video, obviously make sure you give us a big thumbs up, and that will help us get seen in the YouTube algorithms. So also have a look at the description below. There's a couple of links in there. If starting your own business is something that you're looking to do, then make sure you grab my free 7-day email bootcamp all about doing that. And obviously if blogging is something that you're into, or you want to get into, then I've got a link there to my blogging 30-point checklist and resource pack. Both of them totally free, so just hit the links, sign up, and I'll send them through to you. Also, if you stay tuned right to the very end, I will show you other places where you can go and earn easy cash. So make sure you tune in right to the very end. Okay, so let's go and have a look exactly what this site is all about and how you can then just upload images and get paid via PayPal. Okay, so really excited to show you this one, guys, and the site we're going to be looking at is called Redbubble. And basically what it entails that you can actually upload images. You can select what items the image goes onto. So in other words, you've got clothing here, stickers, so you can have helmet stickers, phone cases, wall art, home and living stuff. All these different things can have your image on them. And then what happens is, then these items are then sold by Redbubble, and you then will get a commission for it being your design. So basically Redbubble take their part, you add in the percentage you want to make, and then that gets them a retail price. Customers come, buy them. Redbubble does everything. They create the product and then ship it out, and they ship it worldwide, so that is fantastic as well. So everybody can use Redbubble in the world, and then they handle everything. They handle refunds and all the payment and everything. And also payment is made via PayPal, which again is another great thing. So as you can see here, it's how easy it is. You need to obviously click on the sell your art place here. So let's just look at the payment process, how you get paid. So basically you set up a shop, so that's what happens. You come in, you sign up for free, you set up your shop, you load images in. So if you've got your own, you would need to have your own images. Now there's various ways, don't panic if you haven't got your own images and you're not an artist or anything. You could still do this. And there's two ways you could do it. You can either team up with an artist and use their images and take a percentage of what you sell, or you can go onto a site called Fiverr, Upworker, People Per Hour, anything like that, and get someone to actually create some images for you. But also remember that part of that, you want to make sure that you have the copyright to those images, because otherwise you cannot upload images that have someone else's copyright, because obviously then you could be liable for the copyright on that. So that's very easy. Just set up a little shop, and you make a sale, and you don't even have to promote it, because Redbubble do all the promotion and everything, so you don't have to worry about that. Then they ship your order, and then the pay cycle begins, and then you just wait for your payment, and then you get your payment directly into your PayPal account. So what was the PayPal threshold? So how much do you have to make in order to get paid out? There is only a $20 payment threshold. So that is fantastic. So you should easily be able to get $20, and you could probably even do that on a daily basis, especially when you start to upload more images and more people will obviously buy your products then. Guys, so this is really simple to do. Just head over to redbubble.com and then you'll land on this page here. So you just want to click on the sell your art and then the sign up button. Okay, so that's a very, very simple way that once it's all set up, then you will have a constant flow, hopefully, of payments into your PayPal account without actually doing not a lot, because once it's set up, it's a totally passive income. You don't send any products out, you don't have to deal with any returns, anything like that. Redbubble does everything for you. Okay, so go and think about it. Go and get some images. Go and sign up to Redbubble. It's totally free. Earning free PayPal money just by uploading images into Redbubble. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then make sure you give us a big thumbs up in the video below. Also, I promised you some other places where you can then go and make some money if this is not something you want to do. So check out my whole playlist here, which is all about easy ways to make money online. There's plenty of opportunities there. And also don't forget to sign up for my free 7-day email bootcamp where you can actually go and start your own business online, and it takes you through step by step how to do that. So if you haven't done already, then make sure you subscribe to the channel right now and hit that notification bell. We will see you on the next video.